The Pacific Nanotechnology C0171 AFM control box atomic-force-microscope came into ERD for repair. This control box contains all the software for the control of a Nano 2 microscope, along with all the custom boards that make up the interface to the microscope. This repair required a replacement of the main computer board, along with a repair and rebuild of the power supplies before it would boot up to the software, as shown in the video. ERD not only completed a full rebuild and repair of this system, but provided the customer with a full image of the software in case any future failure. ERD has backed up both hardware-based code in E Proms, along with software code on hard drives for our customers. On many occasions, we have had the backup needed to restore a customer's code after the first repair. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.